Hello and welcome to the HD800 Comfort Strap installation tutorial video. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our HD800 or HD800S or HD8XX if you're, like that. Take off the old pad, toss it to the side. Take the pad replacement strip, make sure that the notch in it goes up and forward because it's going to be covering up these little ball detents. I'm going to line it up with the notches on the headband. Put in the center part first, that should fit easily enough. Then stretch out the headband to its max capacity. Fold it up a little bit and the sides will be able to pop on just fine. And friction will keep that in place. Next we're going to take these clips, we're going to place them on the arms in these last holes in the pad replacement strip. Should be nice and snug. Okay, next we're going to take the comfort strap, we're going to place it below the clips and fold the ends up onto the little nubbins on the clips. I should fit just over it. Friction will keep that in place. Do it on the other side. Hold it up onto that nubbins. Okay. There you go. Comfort strap installed.